So typically, when it comes to these scarves, I decide where my forehead starts. So I could decide that I don't really want much of a forehead today, and that's where it's going to be. Or, since I laid my edges down, I'm going to start my scarf right here. So that means y'all going to get all this forehead today. All right, so since... Hold on real quick. All right. So since I am doing it here, so I'm going to do a 3-scarf tutorial. This gold one, yes, I do sell these. The gold one is a part of the Halal Gal collection. And I'm going to layer it with a different shade of a gold scarf. Okay? And then I'm going to add a pop of color in between because of my outfit. So, really quick. Bow. So, of course, I tie it in a knot. So y'all can see from the back. Turn this music down. So you just tie it. What I do is I look to see where's the shorter piece of the scarf, because the shorter part is right here. That's what's going to make it tight. So I grab my 2 sides that's like tight, and then I usually pull it there, because that is what is going to determine how long your scarf stays in place. And don't nobody got time to keep running to the bathroom to be readjusting. I know I sure as hell don't. Okay, so boom, boom. I tied it. Today I'm going to do a double tie. This is how I start to formulate my shapes, because usually when my hair is not in like 2 braids or something, it's like puffy, so it makes its own shape. But when it's not puffy and it's not going to make its own shape, I create shape for it. And I do it with several scarves, okay? Nope, you didn't miss it completely. But only thing you missed, I'm going to post it to my page so you could get the beginning. But anyways, front and back, double knotted, okay? I sew these, and I also have these. Now, because I'm wearing something that has like, I'm going to put this on top, and it has like a lot of different blues and greens in it, I decide that I'm going to add just another square scarf to put underneath this one. Why? Because you can see through this one. Even though it's not easy to see through it, you can still like see through it, so you're going to see that pop of color I'm adding. But now you really again. All right, so boom. You may not be, by the time I'm done, you may not even see all the scarves, because today I'm not starting my scarf all the way down here. Usually when I want to do that, I ain't got no forehead days, you would see all 3 scarves. But these type of scarves tend to slide a lot. So I'm playing on it just so you can only see the trimming of my gold scarf. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm just going to tie a knot. You are going to squeeze it tight. And then I'm going to grab the back piece too that hangs. After I squeeze it tight, I'm going to just grab that too. Turn it up. I'm going to tie a knot on top. Ugh. And then I knot it again. So that baby is now officially secure. And now, this one. Okay? This is the statement scarf. So you could do this any way you want. I could let it hang. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not. You know, you do whatever you want. But I'm not doing all that. Today is going to be a head wrap day for Lish. So I am literally lining this where the trimming is. And I could do, sometimes I just throw a safety pin in and let it hang to the back. But I feel like today is a head wrap day. So since I think it's going to be a head wrap day, let's see. Because sometimes I change my mind when I'm doing a scarf and it don't come out the way I want. I'll be like, okay. All right, Donique. Okay. Hey. All right. So You gotta grab it, both sides. So if you look now, you can see the green shining through, and you still see that gold trimming. I'm telling you, it's the details for me. It's the details for me. The gold trimming matters. It's what's going to give the pop of the gold on the inside of my eyes. Like literally, it's like a whole look that contributes to your overall, the aesthetic of your whole presence. So this little bit of gold trim that's right there of the first scarf I put on, even though that's all you see of it, it goes well with that. And then the green is going to pop on my dress that I'm putting on. And then this is why in the wintertime, you know, we be warm. In the summertime, it'd be a child. All right. Yeah, I think I'm liking the bun. I'm thinking I like the bun. Do we like the bun or do we like the hijab here? I think I like the bun. Shucks, I forgot to put my mask on. So, unfortunately, I be having to put a mask on before I do my scarf sometimes because my ears, like, it's so frustrating. Ugh. I swear to God, I can't wait for this COVID stuff to be over. I hate wearing a mask. For the nation. All right, let me get this. So I don't tie this top scarf at the bottom because I want the shape to be perfect. So, boom. See how it looks in the back? The green is still able to be seen through the back. I want that. I tie underneath. And then I just find a place to tuck it. Sometimes I tuck it from the back. Sometimes I tuck it from the front. It depends on the look. So if I tuck it from the front, that's how it looks. Or if I want it flat, I tuck it for the back. Like if I don't want a lot going on in the front, I just want to serve you face, not too much. Or if I feel like I'm not doing enough with my face, I might want to serve you more scarf. Like it's literally subtle positioning of your scarf really does change your overall presence. I don't care what no one says. And it's the little details for me. Like the detailing. That's what separates when people will be like, oh, this one's such a fashionista. I'm like, what? Because they know how to buy, like, because they bought something nice and threw it on. It's about how you put it together. You know what I mean? Like, I could see through somebody who's not really a fashionista and just stumbled upon something that worked a mile away because there's no detailing. Hello. Detailing. You still got that gold trim. Still got your green. You got your this. Let me see. I'm about to throw this bad boy on over my head. For the nation. I think I'm going to throw on some Doc Martens for real because I'm not even in the mood. But that's it. And I'm going to post this to my page. So that way those of you who were mad at me about how horrible I did the last one, y'all can check it out. So boom, this is a 3 scarf tutorial, and that's that. You're welcome. I just hate that I gotta figure out how to put a mask on now that I did my scarf. It's the worst, I tell y'all. It is the worst. But anyways, I hope y'all have a good day. I'm off to see Charlemagne the God, and then Rolling Loud, and then we'll see where the night takes me. Have a good one.